With £16,000 of factory optional extras, this is the highest specification Audi RS3 that we have ever offered on sale. The first owner of this car selected the carbon ceramic brakes and the RS design package, which are two of the rarest optional extras that you can get on an RS3, and they were only available between 2017 and 2018. The RS carbon ceramic brakes feature obviously the carbon ceramic disc, but they can be identified by the silver caliper. And the RS design package, which we love, features the red stitched Alcantara knee pads, the RS floor mats, the red heater vents, and the lovely red stitched seat belts. If you want to find out more information about this RS3, we recommend heading over to our website to view the full specification.